Every Mac user has a common headache: copy and paste. Yes, not being able to copy multiple things at once means you're constantly flipping back and forth between windows. We're checking out a really cool app today that solves that headache, and it is called Paste. It basically gives your Mac, iPhone, and iPad a massive clipboard memory that never forgets your data. The app tracks your history, lets you search for old clips, and syncs up across all your gear. It handles text, links, code snippets, email templates, and hex codes you need constantly. Let us jump in and see how it keeps you moving faster. Every great project or deep dive article begins with a heavy research phase. Normally, this involves an exhausting cycle of copying a link, switching windows, pasting it into a document, and switching back. In a streamlined workflow, you eliminate that constant back and forth entirely. Paste is really more than just a simple utility. It's a full-scale workspace companion designed specifically for those of us working within the Mac, iPhone, and iPad ecosystems. The way it works is pretty straightforward but incredibly powerful because it saves every single thing you copy, whether that's text, images, links, or even complex hex codes, and it keeps them organized in a way that makes sense. When we use it throughout the day during heavy research sessions, we notice that the constant worry of losing a snippet of information just disappears. You can simply gather your data continuously, knowing it's all being securely captured in the background. Once you move from research to execution, you start interacting with various specialized applications like code editors, design platforms, or writing tools. This is where managing multiple distinct assets usually becomes a chaotic mess. One of the best things about integrating Paste into this stage of your workflow is how it handles the search function. You don't have to scroll through a long, messy list to find that one specific link, color code, or function you copied 3 hours ago. You just search for it, and it's there. This allows you to pull assets into your project instantly, keeping your creative momentum going without any disruptive pauses or technical friction. To truly optimize a professional workflow, you need a system for handling repetitive data, templates, and recurring assets. We also really value the pinboards feature for exactly this reason. Think of these like digital shelves where you can keep the things you used most often, like canned email replies, signatures, or specific code blocks you need for every project. Instead of retyping the same messages, looking up past templates, or hunting down old documents, you just hit one shortcut and grab what you need. It essentially turns your clipboard into a permanent, structured library of your most valuable assets. A truly productive modern workflow cannot be restricted to a single desk or a single machine. It needs to flex and move with you throughout the day. Another reason we lean toward Paste for our complete setup is because of the way it handles cross-device harmony. If we're out on the trail and copy a note or a reference on our iPhone, it's sitting right there on our Mac by the time we get back to the desk. This kind of sync feels natural and keeps the flow of work going without any extra steps or manual file transfers. Okay, so let's look at why Paste is better than other clipboard managers. Paste elevates itself far beyond basic legacy alternatives by shifting the focus entirely toward user value, fluid design, and real-world utility. It keeps absolutely everything you copy neatly organized in chronological order and perfectly ready for instant recall. Also, where traditional text managers leave you with a chaotic, linear timeline to sort through, Paste provides tactical structural features like pinboards. This allows you to curate and instantly save the core assets you find yourself reusing the most, whether that means complex code blocks, recurring email templates, AI prompts, precise hex codes, or official corporate signatures. Finally, its native ecosystem integration provides absolute cross-device harmony. You can copy a dynamic link or a quick thought on your iPhone while walking down the street, and it's instantly waiting to be pasted on your Mac or iPad a mere moment later. This means the exact same comprehensive clipboard history is completely available to you wherever you choose to work. If you want the most seamless, polished experience that connects your Mac and iPhone perfectly, we highly recommend going with Paste at pasteapp.io. If you want to try it out, you can head over to their site and use the code to get 5% off your first year of an annual subscription. It's a small investment that truly gives you time back every single day. Give this workflow a try and see how much easier your day becomes.